Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make Akara Burger. I'll be showing you how I make this delicious Akara that I used to make this Akara Burger. So continue watching if you want to find out how I make this delicious Akara Burger. Fried Akara, I'll be using a cleaned, washed and soaked beans. You can check out my video on how to peel your beans at home. The beans, I'll be using sliced onion, scotch bonnet and red bell pepper. Add a little water to help your blender and blend into a smooth puree. And I will add into a bowl. I will season the beans mixture with stock cube and salt. Then I will stir continuously so that all the seasoning will mix. I will add salt. I will stir continuously to beat in air into the beans mixture. I'll be adding some sliced onion and scotch bonnet. This is optional. If you like, you can fry your akara plain. Then, because I want this akara to be so special, I've already sliced some prawns and I'm going to add prawn to this akara. I got this idea from Nusa Girl TV, and when I tested this, the akara was so delicious. As you can see, I've already preheated the oil. So to check the temperature of the oil, I'll add some onion. When I notice that the temperature is good for me, I will gently scoop the beans mixture into the oil. Please don't overcrowd the akara to avoid sticking together. Turn the akara constantly to allow it to fry properly and also to fry the both sides. You can control the heat at this stage, and when you notice that the akara have fried the other side, you can turn it to fry the both sides. The akara is ready when you have noticed that it have turned golden brown. You can remove from the oil and set aside. Done frying the akara, I will set aside. I'll be showing how to do the sauce for this burger. I'm using Greek yogurt. Feel free to use mayo. Then I'll add some chili flakes, ketchup. Then I will stir to mix properly. I will spread the sauce on the burger bun. You can use any bread of your choice. I will top it up with sliced tomatoes. Add the akara. Add the akara with some lettuce. You can spread the sauce on top of the lettuce, onion, or any topping of your choice. The Akara Burger is ready and it tastes so delicious. I must confess, adding the prawn to the akara and the sauce in the burger takes this burger to the next level, and I hope you try this, and thank you all for watching.